My lovely fans, it don't happen, it don't say. There is a reason why May Edochie never look back. There is a reason why May Edochie will never look back. Grandpapa Pete don't scatter table. Hey, yo is on his own, no, according to wetin we dey hear. His brothers, his family, they started washing their hands of him, according to wetin them talk. Because at this point, you has unfollowed everybody in the family. Shame na make you no fit block the papa, according to what we heard. Because the father has started speaking. The Igbos, Indinji of the Igbos. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezienu. They are not happy with Yul Edochie. Yo have decided to sell their own to an outsider. This whole thing, it cannot affect yo because Juju Ekwe Kusota cover his face. But the father can feel it. The way the Indinjigbo are dragging the Edochie family. Pete Edochie. Ogidi Gada. The feel am. If anything happens to Pete Edochie, yo is the cause. The father is going through a lot with everything that yo is doing on the social media, according to what they said, though. Because a lot of people still believe that Pete Edochie get hand for everything. But the man has started speaking. And because of this talk, where this man they talk, yo shame na make cannot fit block the papa. He don't add the papa join the group of his enemies. My lovely fans. They say, woman wey go snatch husband. The woman wey you come meet for house, he no follow you argue, he no follow you do anything. He welcome you. No say that house, there is fire on the mountain. Juju Ekwe think say you win yo. Juju Ekwe think say, oh, they love her more. But wetin Juju Ekwe no know, na many pass. Grandpapa don dey open yo nyancho. Grandpapa Pete don dey open yo bumble. You see tori when I carry come give una so. Even Juju Ekwe don't know about it. The only person that know about it is May Edochie. May Edochie, she's the only one that know about it. Juju Ekwe dey there now, I don't know anything. According to Grandpapa say people will not understand yo. Say he don't wash his hand, come up for yo matter. He say yo is somebody you cannot help. Yo is somebody you cannot give an happy hand. According to him, he said the more you try to help yo, the more you discover that there are too much evil secrets about this man. Too much. He said even when May Edochie was trying to understand what is really happening, now surprisingly, something can hit them for house. He said the day as one day, one strange woman came and said they want to see him. This woman came with 2 children. He said, they said they won't see him. He said they should let her come in. He thought that maybe he saw these people, they come to visit him. So the woman came in with these 2 children. He said the moment he saw the children, something touched him. There was some kind of resemblance. He said the woman entered. He said now the woman tell and say, he is the mother of yo children. Say yo has been keeping her secrets for a long time. But I've decided to bring Juju Ekwensu wey carry belle yesterday come aside. But she have children for you, and these children, they deal with her. You say it should be secret so that the marriage not go spoil. She keep on secrets. But Juju Ekwensu home, you not keep on secrets. For that reason, he won't carry you come aside. But before he go come announce to the world, he want to give that respect to grandpapa. Make grandpapa know say his son, where they call you, Ewinteje, have 2 children. She have 2 children with him. They say Josephine Edochie fold her hands. Say like, there was no argument because the children look like them. The children with this woman carry console, it look like them. First child of this woman, senior Zane. Now the second one, now Zane senior, with just 1 year. Now Zane take senior the second child. 2 boys. 2 boys. Now the woman born for you. Peter Edochie say come week. He said not even ask too much question. Because if you see the children, you know those children where ma go say make him deny. The children go say you cannot deny me. He said now this woman born. He said the children, if you see them, you know that this is the Edochie children. He said all of them come weak. He said according to him, he said their fear was me Edochie. Then they talk Juju Ekwensu. That time Juju Ekwensu never born the second one. Now that's Tadike. They still they talk. This woman don't come out from nowhere with 2 children. He said, I tell the woman say, they don't hear your side. They are not doubting you because the children look like them. But they need to still hear from their son. Say they can't collect the woman number. Grandpapa can still give the woman a number. In case he not call, but the woman still call her. As the woman they go, they can still dash her money. The woman can come out. As the woman come out, now Josephine Edochie say, they must tell me Edochie this one. Grandpapa say he thought about it. He say, if they tell me Edochie go, what's the matter? He say now Josephine Edochie say no. It's better the woman know now than later. It is better she know, say, the reason you was calling himself polygamy is not because he's bringing Juju Ekwensu to the house. It's because it looked like this man have children for outside. Imagine their son having these 2 grown-up children like this. And he did not tell anybody. He said Josephine Edochie said they must tell me Edochie. They cannot keep this one secret from her. No. If grandpapa want to do it, she's not going to do it. This is a bad woman. So you get this kind of mind. You get this kind of mind. Grandpapa say now he look am. Now he say before he call you may first call the brothers. He can't call you brothers. Tell them say please you want to see them. All of them the same time. Make they schedule time. He want to talk to them very important. He says so. He says so. His children put time. They came to Enugu. He said now he carry them sit down. Now he tell them say see what they happen. A woman came to this house with 2 children, 2 boys. The 2 boys, he can't show them the picture. Then Leo see and they say, these children look like us. And the man said, okay. Now I tell them say, please, do any of you know these children? All you brothers, no one know the children. They say no. Do you know these children? This one say no, this one say no. You don't know him. You don't know them. They say no. Now grandpapa come ask them, he won't beg them one thing. They should be truthful to him. They should please be truthful to him. Do you have children outside his matrimonial home, apart from Juju Ekwensu? My brothers, they say no. Now grandpapa come tell they say, one woman come in house. Come tell and say, yo is the father of our children. Say one woman come in house. Come tell and say, yo is the father of our two sons. That is these boys you are seeing in the picture. They look. Say, how? Say, don't born for you, Tete. You say you used to make it a secret. Make it for not destroy in marriage. But the moment the children turn 18 years, then they don't grow. He go fit explain, give you wife. But for now, the woman should keep it secret. But this poor woman, this woman has been keeping a secret, not until she discovered that you did not keep Juju Ekwensu secrets and wants to keep her that was there before Juju Ekwensu was secrets. Hey, now you brothers come fall down. Remember in the beginning, you brothers were supporting you. It got to a point they can't withdraw hand. Now because of this matter, make they come withdraw hand. They look it and they said, oh, maybe Juju Ekwensu was a mistake. But when they come here, say another one day, when this man hide for corner for years, the senior son where that woman born is senior Zane. The second one, they say if you see the second one, you don't see Zane. There is no difference. Now they say, this our brother and a bad person. Really, really bad person. Wait till enter head. Before they come get information, say the woman was an upcoming artist for Nollywood. When you say you want teach work, teach and work, come give the girl belle. Give the girl belle, come dismiss the girl, come out for the industry. Poor girl will come for poor background. You see my way rent flat for her. They give her baby things, they give her money, maybe they do her upkeeping. For her to go silent. The woman agree. After all, you was giving her everything. Then you hand see they touch Mie Edochie money. So this woman was living a luxury life. The woman not suffer. You was giving her everything. The first one, you said, okay, maybe we say the first one was a mistake. In academics, the get carry belle. But the second one, okay, they not be twins. Now Leo say, he brother nari dog in kita. Brother na in kita dog. Now their brothers, they wash and come off for everybody. Now they say they must tell me Edochie. They can't carry me Edochie sit down. They say me Edochie, we cannot hide this one for you. Now so they hide Juju Ekwensu, he come be like problem. This one, they not go hide down. They can't tell me Edochie. Me Edochie weak. They call they consume me Edochie for their say they understand. Say they understand, say they pain. Now me Edochie say, me Edochie tell they say it is well. After everything, while she was busy planning, no say the man where they plan with, he get another plan. Now me Edochie say it is well. It is well. This my heart was broken again. Me Edochie come out. Now your papa come call. After they don't tell me Edochie before they tell you. Before they come call the Ewinteje. They come call and say, where you dey? Say they Asaba. They say they come Enugu. Now you come from Asaba go Enugu. He reach Enugu, family for his house. Everybody, they wait for her. He reach there, they do odogu. Now, no say it's a big form now. A form. All those one, they look at with bad eyes. It could be like, say, call the cold, the kind eye where they say they look at. Now you can go sit down. Can they ask, oh, Guinea, what did they happen? Now your papa can show you the picture of those children. You shock. It's shock. Now your papa say, who be all this one? You can scratch it. Yo, who are these children? Okay now. They are my children. They are my children. You know what talk now? He was waiting for the right time. He was still tell Luna, but he was just waiting for the right time. Now Papa say right time as how? If something happened to you, be something not happen to you, and your enemy buy, this woman come, they say he born for you. Don't you know it is a problem? Who among the family did you confirm to that if this woman have children for you? You say nobody. Say not trust anybody. So you not tell anybody. Wonder shall never end. You can they beg your papa and mama. He say, may they not tell me Edochie. May they not tell me Edochie. That they see waiting day grand now. Me Edochie should not know about this. Now Josephine Edochie say it's too late. She don't tell me Edochie. Now Josephine Edochie tell you say you are a wicked man. You are a very wicked boy. She did not train you like this. What got into your head? You're behaving like somebody that is possessed. You're behaving like somebody that some kind of demonic agents are operating on your head. And she has already told me Edochie don't even see the picture of these children. Now Josephine Edochie said to Fiakwa, if not that you are a son, she for lay curses upon you. Chai, my people. But they compose on our talk. Say anybody will lick this tonight, Papa say if you open your mouth and curse or you ain't go lay curses on you. Wicked boy. You not gonna talk, you come quiet. You come quiet. Now Papa ask and say, do you know the family of that girl? You say don't go do introduction. No be today yo start am. No be Juju Ekwensu be the first. Yo was trying to keep everything secret. But everything don't expose. The father said, if to say something happened to you now so strange woman with strange children from strange family could just come say, they born for you. The father asks yo. This one that this woman don't come aside. Now tell him the truth. How many women born for you for outside when they don't know? They said you did not reply. He put his head for ground. The father asked him the second time. He did not reply. The father asked him the third time. You did not reply. Now Papa said, that means they are many. Your silence has said it all. My people, wonder shall never end. But they compose you brothers. They never see head for Juju Ekwensu. So many children they outside. That's why when they ask you, say you, how many wives do you have? He said that question will be answered another day. The time when you go for that interview, divorce don't almost settle. And he said it's my ex-wife. So if you can call me Edochie his ex-wife on that program, why was he not able to reply how many wives he have? The wife is one, but the side chickens are many. the baby mamas of Yo-Yo-Yo, it worst past Two-Face. You see, Yo-Yo-Yo is worse than Two-Face. Yo-Yo-Yo have different children outside. You see, Juju Ekwensu, when did they do? Oh, like father, like daughter, like son, like father. I pity her. May though she'd already wash her hand. Sometimes blessed is he that go than he that decide to remain and suffer. This story when I carry con give on her so, Juju Ekwensu don't know anything. She think that she's the only one there. She think that any woman where they can say, I get belay for you, they are just trying to chase her out. But the fact is that you have kids outside. The father agreed to two. What about the ones we don't know? Hey! Grandpapa say, now the pikin wey they say making the talk to be this. Pikin wey himself not do. He said there are a lot of things he don't know about you. He said you see his senior son, Leo. You see Lynch. If they're not there, if you can't talk something for their body, he go swear. He will not be afraid to swear on their behalf. He said, but you see you. The father said he can never risk a life to swear on behalf of you. He said they were shocked. He said they're shocked. You have kids. Outside is marriage. Not only Juju Ekwensu, but many of them. They are many. Many of them. Chai, my people. They say, May Edochie. There is no way that woman can look back. The family, they know. No way. Juju Ekwensu was not only the reason why May Edochie walked away. There were other women that are pregnant, that have children with you. You get children for outside, secret children, when they keep secrets. Very soon, all of them will soon come outside. Because where they see money waiting, they take care of them before. It's no longer there. He was giving them their best life with May Edochie money. Now that money not there again. These women are going to cry out. Juju Ekwensu, don't worry. You see that polygamy when you say you want practice, you will start her now. May Edochie is no longer in the picture. Just you and your yo. Una go start the polygamy now. Because according to your father, he said he believed that there are more kids outside. Because your silence says it all. People where they say May Edochie for stay. God, they remove May Edochie come off for no sensibility, disgraceful and shameful life. Una say make May Edochie go stay. Stay and do what exactly? Stay and do what? Wonder the session never end. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.